Here's opening my squishy package. Finally got it. Yeah, so let's see. Using my kitty scissors because I don't know where my other thing went. Ignore the apple bag. Turn it down. Down, 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 down. Ah. Alright, let's see what I get. It's brown. So, I get... Oh god, I think it's a monkey. Can't get it out. Come on. Ugh. I got a baboon. Oh god. $20 worth on a baboon. I don't know. It kind of amuses me, actually. Ha! Oh, God. Interesting. Plushie. There's the tag. And anything else they come with? No, that's my receipt. Oh, Eclipse got a baboon. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I don't really like baboons. Stick it on my bed or something. Take out of the plastic. I'm amused that it comes with the red ass cheeks. Put it in the bag. Ooh, it's actually pretty soft. Hands cramping up. Look at it. Oh, these trusty dandy scissors. Ah, probably just cut the damn thing too. Oh, there it is. Got the baboon. I shall name him, I don't know, think of something.